Hey guys, so we're looking at number 5, sine of 345. So what we're going to do is, this is where, because there is no 345 on the unit circle, that we will have to come up with two angles that are on the unit circle that does give us 345. There are multiple answers, so like 300 plus 45, 315, and 30. So there's multiple answers here, and they're all right as long as they equal 345. I'm going to go with the 300 and 345. Okay, so sine of 300 plus 45. This is going to be my A, and this is going to be my B. Now, this is going to be a formula. So sine, so if you look right here, I have a sine of A plus B. So I have two angles, and now I can use this formula. So the first angle, which I think was 300, was going to be my A. So sine of 300, and again, I'm just following let's see if I can pull this. I am just following the formula. Can y'all see that? So I'm following this formula here. So sine A is 300, cosine of B is 45, plus cosine of A, which is 300, and sine of B, which is 45. Now, my advice is please write this. And now we're going to go to our unit circle. So the question is, what is sine of 300? So sine of 300 is negative square root of 3 over 2. Cosine of 45, square root 2 over 2. Cosine of 300 is 1/2. And sine of 45 is square root 2 over 2. Now we can multiply here, so we get negative square root of 6 over 4. Yes, you multiply the denominators, plus, and you're going to multiply here, square root of 2 over 4. Now, I can make some adjustments, but all I can do is write it on one fraction line and not, I can't combine them. So I'm stuck with this answer. Okay. Let's see if I can get this off. Okay. Number, where's the top of my paper? 6 is cosine of 105. Okay. Again, we got to look at our unit circle to come up with two angles that when I add, I get 105. And here, I see 60 and 45. So cosine of 60 plus 45. Again, multiple ways of getting that number. So it's cosine and I'm adding. So I'm going to use this formula. Here's my A, here's my B. So cosine, notice here it's a minus, sine. Back to your unit circle. So cosine of 60 is 1/2. 45 is square root 2 over 2. Minus sine of 60 is square root 3 over 2. And sine is square root 2 over 2. Okay. Multiplying, I get the square root of 2 over 4 minus the square root of 6 over 4. And so all I can do is put this on one fraction, but I can't do any better than cleaning it up. Okay. I did go a little heavy on this section because I noticed we did struggle a little on this section of the quiz. Okay, so I felt like we needed to practice. So again, you're going to look here. and figure out what we can add or subtract to get 175. If you want to wait to see if you get a set, you can hit pause. But I do see 135 and 45. No, that does not give me 175. What? Whoa. I don't think we can get 175. Okay, hold on. That gives me 180, 65, 65. That gives me 80. Okay. Let's see what is going on here. Okay. 175. Okay, let me just pen a little conundrum. I don't think we can do it. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to have to say, can't do this one. Whoops, cannot do this. Okay. If you did find 175, please let me know. I might have typoed it. 225 minus 60? That's 60. I'm coming up with 165 all the time. Okay, so oops-a-daisies. Y'all know me. I'm just a girl. Cosine of 255. Okay, let's see if I can do any better with this one. Cosine of 255. Okay, I see 210 and 45. Okay. Again, not the only way of getting it. 210 and 45. So here's my problem, my formula. So we're going to use the very top one. So cosine, again, A and B. Cosine of 210. Cosine of 45. It's a plus here, but notice what's right there. Minus sine of 210. And cosine, oopsies, that should be a sine of 45. Okay, reading the unit circle, cosine of 210, negative square root of 3 over 2, cosine of 40, square root 2 over 2, minus sine of 210, negative 1/2, and sine of 45, square root 2 over 2. So multiply this and I get negative square root of 6 over 4 minus a negative square root 2 over 4. Notice here, ooh, gosh, I am so sorry. Notice here we have our two negatives, so that gives us a positive. And that's all we can do. Okay, I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next video.